Welcome to our room tour of Royal Caribbean's Rhapsody of the Seas. This is an ocean view room and it's $30.90. Welcome to our room. We have our room set up as a king size bed, but it will split apart and give you two twin size beds in here. And each side of the bed has a bedside lamp and then a nightstand. The feature of the room, of course, is the window to seeing outside. Over here we have some storage area, shelving with a small safe. There is a TV that does swivel towards the bed underneath that. Normally under that is the cooler, but there is no cooler in this room. It just has drawers. There's 3 large drawers. There is a drawer in the middle area, and then some smaller drawers over here that include the blow dryer. We do have 2 American outlets and 2 European outlets over here. There is nice storage on each side of the mirror. These are probably my favorite storage spots. This is our closet we have. The door's kind of different on how it opens. And there's also no shelving in here. It is only hanging space in the closet. And normally you have a couch in your room, but in this room there is only a chair and a little nightstand. So this is kind of different with just the single chair in here. Let's show you to the bathroom. So the bathroom does not have the capsule. It has a shower curtain. It also just has hair and body wash. So if you like conditioner, you need to make sure you bring your own. There is storage in here, actually quite a bit. There is little shelving, including a little drawer. But it does have a nice vessel sink in here. Thank you for coming on our tour of Royal Caribbean's Rhapsodies of the Seas Ocean View Room $30.90.